Hi guys and welcome back to my channel N's Kitchen. So today we're going to see the recipe of Nankhatai in 3 flavors. So let's begin. So for the base I'm going to take 1 cup ghee. So what you have to do is you have to boil the ghee and then let it cool down at room temperature. This is really important. And then I'm going to gradually mix in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I'm using an electric beater, but you can also use your hand whisk. Don't over whip, only whip it till our sugar melts in a clarified butter. Whip it till it's nice and white. This is done. Keep this aside and then sieve in 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, Now we are going to gradually mix in our dry ingredients. Make a nice and a moist dough. If your dough is too dry, add a little more clarified butter, or if it's not, skip it. Now I'm dividing my dough into 3 parts. The dough should be sticky. Now into the first one I'm adding 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut, into the second one I'm adding half teaspoon of vanilla extract, Into the third one, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, natural and sweetened. So into the desiccated coconut mixture, I'm gonna add a little bit of food color. As per requirements, I'm using yellow. Here's my dough, and this is my baking tray. I'm using aluminium. I'm rolling them into round. They are done. Bake these at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. At first you'll see that they are little crumbly, but as they cool down, they'll become crispy. These are done. Enjoy!